So I have a Honda Izzy mower, and what's happening, the belt keeps on flicking off all the time. So it's just a pulley. Some has got Allen keys, but this has got a shoulder what goes on to here, and the blade stops it moving, so we've got a key there. So that all is okay. If you have a look here, look at this bit of dirt there, bit of stone. Wonder if that's what it's keeping flicking off then. Interesting. Got jammed up. So I was saying the belt keeps on flicking off, and I just minute I found that in there. So that might be the cause why it was flicking off. Could be wrong. Let's get that way anyway. I'm not sure about that one. So this is the tension spring here. So I need to get a new tension spring and probably a new drive belt as well. So something's wrong here, so I need to work out what it is. Please subscribe and comment on this video. Thanks for watching, bye.